Welcome back guys, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video I will be installing Windows 11 on unsupported hardware, that is my Sony Vaio laptop that is approx 8-year-old and it doesn't support the CPU, the TPM is not supported, the secure boot is not enabled and it has only 4 GB of RAM with hard disk and no SSD. Still, I will be installing Windows 11 on this machine, and if you want to install Windows 11 on any unsupported hardware or any kind of old laptop or PC, then make sure that you watch the video till the end without skipping any part. Now before starting, you have to keep some point in your mind that you need a USB drive that should be at least 16 GB. Number 2, your BIOS mode should be set to UEFI instead of legacy. How you can check that? You can click on your Windows search, type system information, and from the suggestion click on system information. Now here in the BIOS mode, you can see that my BIOS mode has been set to UEFI, so I'm good to go. But if you find the legacy option here, then first you will have to change the legacy to UEFI. And if you don't know how, then I've already created a video. You can watch that video and change your legacy option to UEFI because it will be also improving your performance of the computer. Alright, so once you're done, now we are ready to move. So we will be using the RUFUS software here. That is a very powerful tool that not only help you to bypass the TPM check, 4 GB of RAM and the secure boot option, but it also give you an option to bypass the Microsoft account and the BitLocker drive encryption. Alright, so you need to come to this website of RUFUS. You will be getting the link in the description. Once you come up here, scroll down a bit, and in the link you have to click on the first link, RUFUS 4.2 exe standard type. Click on the link, the file will be downloaded. So once downloaded, right click on the RUFUS and choose run as administrator, then click on yes, and this kind of simple and a small box will be coming up. Now this will automatically detect a USB that has been connected to your computer. So if you have connected multiple USB or external drive, then make sure that you select the right one that you want to make USB flash drive. So I want to use USB G drive, so I will select it, that is 64 GB, and then you need to select the boot selection. So here you have to get the ISO of Windows 11. So what you can do, you can come to the Windows 11 official website. This link will be also in the description, and from here you can download the Windows 11 disk image. Now this option is also available from the RUFUS, and if you don't want to download from the official website, then on the right side where it says select, you can click on the drop down and choose the download option, and this will help you to download the ISO directly from the RUFUS only. In case if you don't find the download option here, then you can click on the setting gear icon here and make sure this check for update option has been selected to daily, weekly or monthly, not disabled. And then when you will come back, you will find this download option. But now I have already downloaded the ISO, so I will click on select and choose the Windows 11 ISO from here. Then I will click on open. And then you have to keep everything as it is, like partition scheme will be GPT, the target system will be UEFI. Once done, you have to click on start. And now here you get the most important thing. And you can see on the top it says remove requirement for 4 GB plus RAM, secure boot and TPM. Alright, so you have to keep this option checked. Now the second option is remove requirement for an online Microsoft account. So if you don't want that it should ask you the Microsoft account login while installing Windows 11, then you can check this option. But if you want, then you can uncheck it. And now the third option is create a local account with the username. So yes, I want a local account. So I will type the name like Crown. And then you have many more options like set regional option to the same values as this user. So I will select it. Disable data collection, I will select it. Disable BitLocker automatic drive device encryption, I will also select it. So I will bypass everything here, then I have to click on OK. And now it says warning, all data on this device will be removed and destroyed. So make sure that if you have any kind of data on this USB pen drive, then kindly take the backup first, and if you don't need it, then you can proceed. Click on OK, and now the process will be started. It will just take few seconds, probably a minute, and the process will be completed. Okay, so now our flash drive is ready, and it's ready here, so we can close it. And now you need to connect this USB flash drive to the computer where you want to install Windows 11. So kindly connect the USB to your computer or to your laptop. And once you connect the USB drive to your computer or your laptop, you need to shut down your computer and then restart the computer in the BIOS mode, where we can change the boot option with this USB drive. So the next time when the computer starts up, it can start with that particular USB flash drive. So depending on your motherboard, on your manufacturer, the BIOS key can be different. It can be like F2, escape, or delete. You can also look in the Google that what kind of BIOS key is made for your manufacturer. So once you come in the BIOS, you have to select that USB device from the boot order. Select and hit the enter key. And this time when the computer will come up, you will see this kind of Windows 11 installation screen. Alright, so now here you can choose your desired language, whichever you want to. Then you have to click on next. Then click on install now. The setup will be now starting. And here you have to enter the product key of your Windows 11. And if you don't have, then you can click on I don't have a product key. And then here choose the Windows 11 edition. So I will go with Windows 11 Pro. Then click on next. Check the agreement, then click on next. Now here you have to choose the custom option instead of upgrade. So click on custom. Now it will display all kind of your partition. So what I would recommend you that delete all the other partition. But in case if you don't want to delete your drive, if you don't want to delete your all data and Windows 10 that you had previously, then you can leave this option and select the main drive. And then you have to click on next. And the installation will now be started. Alright, so finally the installation has been completed, guys. And now we are on the setup page, the configuration page. And now if any of you guys, if you find a screen where the Windows installation get failed and you go back to the same Windows 11 install in screen, then you need to repeat the step twice. As on many old kind of laptop and PC, the first attempt may get failed, so you can retry again by following the same steps. Bingo, and now we can see the Windows 11 desktop, and finally Windows 11 has been installed on my 8-year-old laptop with unsupported hardware. Now many people also have the myth that installing Windows 11 on unsupported hardware, it will not be checking for the update, or it will not be updating your Windows 11. So let me check that. If I click on a Windows search, type update, and then click for check for update. As of now it says no update available, so I will enable this option and see whether there are update available or not. And you can see that it says complete update to maintain security of your device, and the downloading also has been started. So it means that there will not be any kind of problem of update while installing Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. So that's all, guys, for today. Hopefully you will find this video helpful, and if yes, do not forget to like and subscribe. For any kind of question, any doubt, let me know in the comment section, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.